Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Battle.net on Android device. Whether you are using mobile device or tablet, this step-by-step tutorial will help you out. First of all, open your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and go to the search box at the top. Type in Battle.net. Once you find the Battle.net application in the search result, tap on the install button right next to it. Now wait for the app to download and install, which will take us several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once done, click on Open to open Battle.net on your Android device. So that's how you easily do it. You can easily log in or create a new account for Battle.net according to your preference. So that's how you easily download and install Battle.net app on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.